All right, so here is how to get to your assignment for today. You can go on the stream. It says Katie Gonzalez posted a new assignment. Assignment 2, simple and compound predicates. You can also go under classwork to week 5, which is the week that we're on, subjects and predicates. Go ahead and click on it. Yours going to look a little bit different from mine, but it's pretty similar. It says click on the PowerPoint below. That's what this is right here. Fill in the PowerPoint. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then you click turn in when you're done. Please do not post any comments down here, okay? If you write, I don't know how to do it, I will not see that comment. You have to go back to the stream, the main page, and put, I need help, Miss Gonzalez, okay? I will see that, but if you post it here, I will not see it. So we go ahead and we open up the document or the PowerPoint, okay? I'm going to show you 2 examples of how to do this, and then you're going to have 5 to do by yourself. That's Avery in the background. All right, so we're answering this question. Is the predicate simple or compound? Well, here is an example. Tiny grabbed his car keys. Tiny is my subject, okay? Now I'm going to ask myself, what does Tiny do? He grabbed his car keys. Well, there's only one predicate. So I'm going to type that in here. Grabbed his car. Only one action, one thing he did. That means that it is simple. Okay. And then down here we answer, how do we know it's simple? There's one action. Okay. So the predicate we put here. If it's simple, if there's only one predicate, it's simple. And then we put our reasoning. There's one action. That's why it's simple. Okay. Here's another example. Tiny grabbed his car keys and drove to work. Well, Tiny is my subject. I ask myself, what does Tiny do? Well, I see 2 things that he does. Grabbed his car keys and drove to work. So we have 2 predicates plus a conjunction, right? The conjunction is and. So I'm going to put grabbed his car keys, comma, drove to work. Okay. Is it simple or compound? It is compound. How do we know? There's 2 actions and a conjunction. Okay? And that's how you do this assignment. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more for you to answer. If you need help, please post on this stream that you need help, or you can text or email me.